In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the drive letter in Google Drive. This process is essential for organizing your files and ensuring a smooth workflow. Let's get started. First, launch Google Drive on your device. This can be done by locating the application icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you click on it, the Google Drive interface will open up. You will see all your files and folders laid out neatly. This is where you manage your documents, and having the correct drive letter helps in identifying your virtual drives quickly. It sets the stage for the next steps, so ensure you are logged into your account. Next, click the gear icon, which represents settings, and select Preferences. The gear icon is typically found in the upper right corner of the Google Drive window. Clicking it opens a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Preferences. This action allows you to adjust various settings for your Google Drive experience. It's important because it gives you control over how Google Drive operates on your device, making it more tailored to your needs. Once that is done, click the new gear icon that appears within the Preferences window. This icon is usually located at the top right corner of the Preferences menu. When you click this, you are accessing more specific settings related to your Google Drive's operation. This step is critical because it leads you to the core settings where you will make the necessary adjustments to your drive letter. From there, scroll down to the Google Drive Streaming Location section. This section contains options related to how Google Drive integrates with your computer. As you scroll, you will see various settings that pertain to file streaming and local storage. This is a crucial step because it ensures you are in the right area to change your drive letter, which can help in organizing your files efficiently. After that, click the drop-down menu next to Drive Letter. This drop-down will display a list of available drive letters that you can assign. The drive letter is the identifier your computer uses to recognize different storage devices. Selecting the appropriate letter is important because it helps you easily locate your Google Drive among other drives on your system. Now, choose your preferred letter, like G, M, or X, from the list of available drives. The choice of letter is entirely up to you, but it's often best to select one that is not already in use by another drive. This step is significant as it sets your Google Drive apart from other drives, making file management more intuitive and straightforward. With that ready, click Save. This action confirms your selected drive letter and commits the change. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your settings have been updated. This is reassuring because it confirms that your preferences are now set and ready to go. Next, click Restart Now to apply the changes and reconnect the virtual drive. This step ensures that the new drive letter is recognized by your system. Restarting the connection allows Google Drive to refresh its settings and ensures that everything works as intended. This makes sure your changes are saved and your drive operates smoothly under the new configuration. By following these steps, you can successfully change the drive letter in Google Drive. Each action is designed to help you customize your Google Drive experience, making it easier to manage files. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.